Tired of struggling to reach tight corners and awkward angles while working? Meet the 32-piece flexible drill bit extension set, the ultimate tool upgrade for DIY lovers and professionals alike. From a 105-degree right-angle attachment to bendable extensions and magnetic adapters, this kit is designed to make every job faster, easier, and more precise. Let's see how this powerful set transforms your drilling and screwdriving experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more products. Thanks for watching. If you found this tool helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description to grab yours today.